Hi to everyone. We discussed in last video about present tense and past tense. Past tense. Yes. In past tense, we have to give ed to the action words. Yes, children. And also, we learnt punctuations, how to write exclamatory marks. Yes, did you do in textbook? Yes, you have done it. Still, some are not sending your homeworks. Please try to send your homeworks on time. Yes, children, will you send the homework? Try to send me the homework. If you do mistake there, I may correct you. Then you will correct your mistake and you may not do another mistake in the exam or the same mistake. You may not repeat the same mistake in the exam. For that purpose only, we are asking you to send the homeworks. Yes, children, please try to send your homeworks on time. Now, today we are going to learn about a new lesson. Yes? Yes. So, do you know the sounds of animals? Yes. What does the dog give? Yes, bark. And a duck? Quack. Yes, children. Cat? Meow. Yes, like that. We are going to learn a new poem about animal storm. Animal storm. Storm means, do you know rain? Yes, that rain, but when it is mixed together, wind, heavy wind, when the rain falls, we get thunders. Yes, children, that is, means in Telugu we say it tufanu. Yes, a heavy rain, including of thunders and heavy wind. Yes, today we are learning about this animal storm poem. Yes, are you ready to know about these animals? Yes, before learning these animals, we have to match the sounds of the animals in first page. First page in the sense, chapter 5, warm up page. Yes, you do first that activity and come to textbook exercise and poem. Yes, children, let us start our explanation. Yes, now let us go to explanation. Please take your reader chapter 5. Write 3/11/2020. The name of the poem is Animal Storm. Animal storm. But when we see the regular storm, we see the drop of waters, the flow of waters. But here we see the animals are falling from the sky. Yes, let us start our explanation. Here we are reading about be careful of the storm out there. Be careful means we have to be very careful. Means jagrata. Be careful. What is going outside? Yes, it is storm. It is storm. It is raining. What is that? It is raining. Cats and dogs. What are the animals? Cats, dogs, elephants, penguins. Monkeys and frogs. Monkeys and frogs. And pigs also. Monkeys and frogs and pigs. What they have to, we have to be careful. Why we have to be careful? Yes. For the storm we have to be careful. What is happening outside? Yes, it is raining. It is raining. Cats and dogs, elephants and penguins, monkeys and frogs and pigs. What is happening outside? It is raining. It is raining. It is a storm outside. So we have to be careful. There are horses, bears, giraffes, all falling from the sky. All falling from the sky. Which animals are falling from the sky? This is talking about first stanza. Be careful. Cats and dogs, elephants, penguins, monkeys, frogs and pigs. What is happening outside? It was raining outside. It is a storm. So be careful. Be careful. In second stanza, what are these animals has to be? Be careful. Be careful. Yes, children. All these animals has to be careful. Why they have to be careful? Because there are horses, bears, giraffes, all these three animals are falling from the sky. Falling from the sky. Falling from the sky. And you could watch the kangaroos and hippopotamus are going that side. What are the animals? Kangaroos and hippopotamus. Hippopotami. Hippopotami is also an animal. Hippopotami are going. They are going. There go some kangaroos and hippopotamus. This weather happens quite a lot. At least that is how it seems. So it is happening like this. Some animals has to be careful because some animals are falling from the sky and some animals are going here and there like kangaroos and hippopotamus. In first stanza, what is the big animal or heavy animal among these animals? Dog, cat, elephant or penguins or monkey, frogs or pigs? Heavy elephant, heavy animal, big animal. Yes, it is elephant, big or heavy one. As children, and also some animals are going here and there. Yes, but this poet is telling, when the poet was telling, what was his condition? What was his condition? Yes, the poet is sleeping. Sleeping means asleep. When he was asleep, He was watching all these things. When he was sleeping, he was watching all these things. Means he is dreaming. He is dreaming. Sleeping means all these things are he is dreaming. His condition is dreaming. Yes, where did he see this weather? In the dream. Where did he see this weather? In the dream. Yes, children? Yes. Did you understand? Did you understand, children, this? But when he opened his eyes, he did not see anything. He did not see anything through his window. All these things happened in the dream. All these things happened in the dream. Yes, we have some animals has to be careful. Some animals has to be careful. Some animals are falling from the sky, like horses, bears and giraffes are falling from the sky. And some animals are going here and there. This condition is watched by the poet. The poet is sleeping. The poet is sleeping. So he is dreaming all these things. He is dreaming all these things. When he opened his eyes, he did not see anything through his window. Yes, children? Did you understand this poem? It is very simple poem. Yes? We are learning all the animals. All the new animals like hippopotami. The plural of hippopotami is hippopotamus. Yes, children? Learn that also. So, try to learn all these spellings. All these spellings. Once again, let us repeat these words. Cats, dogs, elephants, penguins, monkeys, frogs, pigs. All these are plural form. Plural form. Again, horses, bears, giraffes, kangaroos, hippopotami. These also in plural form. Learn all the spellings of these words. So this is the textbook exercise. Fill in the blanks with the correct answers from the brackets. Be dash of the storm out there. Careful or careless? You choose it. It is raining cats and dash. Elephants or dogs are? You know. There are horses, bears and giraffes falling from the dash, tower or sky. This dash happens quite a lot. Weather Asina. Yes. The speaker sees this weather when he is asleep or awake. Asleep means sleeping. Awake means rising up. So choose the correct one. Yes, children. Next we have question answers. These also you could answer it. Which huge animal appears in the first stanza? I told you. The huge animal is an elephant. List the animals which appear in the second stanza. Second stanza. How to find stanza? This is first stanza, second stanza and third stanza. Yes, children? So you are asked question. Write the animals from the second stanza. These 4 lines are called stanza. Yes, children. Again, here in this poem, often we are using and. So sometimes in the poems, some words are repeated 3 or 4 or 5, 6, 7 times also to give rhythm to the poem. To give rhythm to the poem. Yes, children. Here you could fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. I see rain clouds. I see I see birds' nests. And what is this? Butterflies too. And dash. Flowers too. Everything is growing. The wind is gently blowing. Spring is here. Spring is here. Now underline the words and sentences that are repeated in the poem. So which words are repeating one or two or three, four times? That you could underline it. Yes, children? And also, while you are sleeping, you may have dream. You may have dream. What dream you dreamt? You write here in this given space. Or close your eyes and sit for some time and think and write at least 6 lines. And animals' homes reside on top of a mountain or under the sea. There are so many places where animals may be alone in a desert or grouped on a farm or tucked in a tree trunk away from all harm, or ice in the Arctic, or holed underground. There are so many places where animals are found. You have to recitation. This one you could keep voice message. This is voice message. Remaining is writing part. Will you send me this voice message to me? Everyone has to send me this voice message. Read and send it to me. Thank you very much for watching, and also please send your homework on time.